Welcome to the 2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for game number 1 of this 4 games sa Delta Cup as we will see the representatives of Bayung, Mexico, Pampanga looking to win this game para sa kanilang mga kabalin dito. As that is our games today, ang Bayung Pora kontra Bayung, Mexico. Second game is Candaba versus Masantol. Third game is Florida Blanca kontra San Fernando. And the last game is United Tomasan Bowlers kontra GUIAO City. So of course, ako po si Enzo Galarosa and alam ko excited na kayo mga kabalin para sa ating laro dito between Bayung Pora kontra Bayung, Mexico. As mayroong tayong mga fans dito na dumayo pa, napakaaga po para ma-witness ang first game between these two teams. As we can see on your screens, Gian Cruz, a representative of Luwid 1 Kapampangan, geared up already for this first game of the 2024 Delta Cup. At makatapat nga niya etong Bayung, Mexico, led by Gerald Nakpil, trying to win this ball game for the name on their chest. And coming up, it's the battle between Bayung Pora kontra Bayung, Mexico. At hindi na namin kayo pag-aantayin pa. Let's turn it over to our arena announcer, Ryan Anthony.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first game of our quadruple header for the 2023-24 Delta Cup Intercities Municipalities Basketball League. It's Bayung Pora versus Bayung, Mexico. Here are the starters. First for Bayung Pora. At forward number 22, Nino Vasquez. At forward number 18, Alfie Ocampo. Center number 30, Blake Canlas. Point guard number 16, Kenneth Naku. And shooting guard number 23, Papa Capulo. Head coach for the Bayung Pora is Arvin Ibay, assisted by Larry Carlos and Lloyd Rivera. And now let's meet the starters for Bayung, Mexico. Starting forward number 10, Psycho Perez. The other forward number 24, Dan Liantos. Center number 8, Nomar Pascual. Point guard number 1, Barry Lakap. And shooting guard number 11, John Del Cunana. Head coach for Bayung, Mexico, J.R. Gomez, assisted by Alex Baluyo. Your referee in charge of this first game are Verds Isuga, Willie Hibe, and Noel Menchero. It's Bayung, Mexico versus Bayung Pora for your 2023-24 Delta Cup.
Bayung Pora, there's starting with Kapulong, Naku, Canlas, Vasquez, and Alfie Ocampo. Para naman dito sa Bayung, Mexico, there's starting with Lakap, Cunanan, Pascual, Perez, and Liantos. Alam kong excited na po kayo para simulan ang ating 2024 Delta Cup between Porac and Mexico as first possession goes sa panig ng Mexico. An easy layup para dito kay Skyle Perez. Good dish coming up the tip galing kay Liantos. 2-0 in favor of Mexico. What will Porac answer? Ocampo, he will attack. Good layup, a better defense galing dito sa Mexico, Pampanga. They're on the counter. Cunanan goes to the corner. Liantos back to Cunanan. Moving the ball around. Liantos open for the drive. The floater, sobra nga lang. Offensive rebound pa rin for Mexico. Wala pa rin on that putback. They will reset. 13 seconds on their shot clock. Cunanan back to Liantos. They go cross court. Lock up for 3, no good. Bola pa rin ng mga naka-asul. And Pascual is fouled. Shooting the jumper. Nomer Pascual, the starting center para dito sa panig ng Bayung, Mexico. This is the first free throw. Mexico Pampanga, of course, is the hometown of Blackwater Bossings, Archie Concepcion. And Pascual knocks down the first free throw. We can see mga young players na to gustong sumunod sa panig nila Archie Concepcion at magpaglaro sa PBA and other professional leagues dito sa Pilipinas. As a turnover para dito sa Bayung Porac. Still nothing on their scoreboard. 3-0 favor of Mexico. Cunanan playing point. They give it to Liantos. Wide open look for Lakap. No good, in Pascual loses the basketball, but bola pa rin dito ng mga naka-asul. Good hustle galing din sa Mexico Pampanga. Multiple offensive rebounds ang kanilang nakukuha in the first 2 minutes of this ball game. Lakap papunta kay Perez. Perez is fouled on that drive and he will shoot 2. Foul is whistled dito kay Alfio Campo. Correction, the foul is on Naku. Perez knocks down the first free throw, 4-0 in favor of Bayung, Mexico. Two for two para dito kay Skyle Perez. Campo gives it to Naku. And Porac finally get a basket in this possession. Naku loses the basketball, and here comes Lakap on a 2-on-none, and Lakap will finish the layup. Barry Lakap on transition, getting the layup to go in a quick timeout para dito sa Bayung Porac. Coach Arvin Ibay asking for some ceasefire dahil nga they are down 7-0 after this beautiful fast break layup galing dito kay Barry Lakap. A quick 7-0 start para dito sa Bayung, Mexico. 7 minutes and 46 natitira sa ating first quarter. Back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, as we can see Gian Cruz, a former player or a player of Luijuan Kapampangan, was able to cover this kid a couple of months ago and did wonders in an 18-under tournament. Let's see if he can finally put some points on the board para sa Bayung Porac. Naku swings it around in another turnover. Another empty possession and another turnover para dito sa Bayung Porac. This is not a good start sa mga bata ni Coach Arvin Ibay. Another substitution for the men in white and red. Gigante on the floor. Cunanan lobs it. Hindi nga lang nasalo na maayos nito ni Pascual. Lakap pull-up jumper, drops it down to Pascual. And Lakap knocks down the mid-range back-to-back baskets para dito kay Barry Lakap. 9-0 na ang ating score in favor of Bayung, Mexico. As finally, a basket para dito sa Bayung Porac. Nino Vasquez with a jumper from the mid-range. Their first field goal. Took them about 3 minutes and 45 seconds to finally score in this ball game. Liantos splits the defense, kicks it out. Cunanan to Lakap. Lakap, the floater, no good. Rebounded right here by Porac. Gigante playing point. Gigante attacks. There's a whistle and he'll shoot to the line for 2 free throws. Joren Mark Gigante drawing the foul there. The chance para dito sa Bayung Porac to get on a little bit of a roll. As let's see this beautiful mid-range jumper galing dito kay Nino Vasquez. The first field goal of the game as Gigante misses the first free throw. Of course, mga kabalin, this is just the first game of 4 dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. So punta lang kayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center if gusto niyo pong suportahan ang inyong mga cities and municipalities na nagre-represent dito sa Delta Cup. 9-3 ang ating score. 6 minutes and 22 natitira sa ating first period. Lakap to Kunanan. Pass it to the baseline. Extra pass to Lakap underneath. Lakap gets blocked up top. Good defense. Galing dito kay Ocampo. Gigante the kick. Three-pointer from the side. No good. Para dito kay Kapulong. Yun nga lang. Dun sa outlet pass neto ni Kunanan, he steps out of bounds. Yandel with a turnover there. So baseline inbound mapupunta for the men in white. Oh, good tap by Kunanan, redeeming himself after the turnover. Lakap regains the pass. Back to Kunanan. Yandel goes to Liantos. Liantos step back jumper. Knocks it down from the baseline. Beautiful step back move. Galing dito kay Reden Liantos. Now an 11-3 is our score. Gigante from way downtown. Still out of sync, but look at Gian Cruz fighting hard for that offensive rebound. Another substitution para dito sa Bayung Porak. Serrano comes in. Let's look at this beautiful step back jumper galing dito kay Liantos. The cross, the separation, and the make. Gian Cruz scores from underneath sa knockout play na yon. Beautiful setup job for Porak. Kunanan splits the defense. The floater back irons that one, pero kanila pa rin ang bola. And yun nga lang, traveling violation na ipito dito. Barry Lakap. Another chance for Bayung Porak to cut this lead further down. Serrano nakakapasok lang. Gives it to Gigante. They lob it up to Gian. Clobbered by 3 players but still possession pa rin ng Bayung Porak. Of course, magandang umaga sa mga nanonood sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page and siyempre sa mga nanonood sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Hindi lang po ito ang larong mapapanood ninyo ngayong araw dito sa ating 2024 Delta Cup. Oh, sayang yung scoop layup doon ni Vasquez. Ito na naman, tumatakbo na naman ang Mexico as easy layup para dito kay Reden Liantos. Now 4 points to his name. 4 minutes and 6 seconds natitira sa ating first period. And another steal para dito sa Mexico, but a counter steal for Porak. They lob it up. Gian up pick. Oh, loses the basketball in midair. Liantos to spin. It's a 3-on-3 fast break. Liantos gets fouled. He'll shoot to the line for 2. Aggressive. The past 3 possessions, itong si Reden Liantos having that cross and step back move. But let's see that again. Yung layup niya kanina dito, that's his 3rd and 4th point of the ball game for Reden Liantos. Now he'll be given 2 free throws. They're being fouled in transition. Liantos overshoots on the first one. You can see the head coach being Bayung Mexico coach J.R. Gomez giving some instructions to his players. Also 2 from the free throw line si Liantos. Serrano drops it off to Vasquez. Vasquez! Beautiful pass galing dito kay Serrano to set up his big man on the pick and roll. Vasquez will be given 2 free throws. It's a 3-man substitution para dito sa Bayung Mexico. Coming in is Torres, kung si Nakpil, and number 12, Vallescas. First free throw para dito kay Vasquez is good. 13-6 ang ating score. 3 minutes and 31 natitira sa ating first period. 1 out of 2 for Vasquez and Vallescas with a rebound. Torres looking to push the pace. Vallescas to Llantos, who has 4 points to his tally already. Oh, good drive right there by Perez. Blocked up top. Nakpil offensive rebound. Nakpil puts it up. And he is fouled. Physicality galing dito. Gerald Nakpil off the offensive rebound. Vasquez gets his second personal foul. And Nakpil will be rewarded with 2 free throws because of that energy and offensive rebounding na ginawa niya. Nakpil makes the first. 14-6 is our score. So 14-6 after that Nakpil miss from the free throw line. Gigante. 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Gigante drives. Turnover na naman. Llantos, another runaway layup now. 6 first quarter points para ito kay Red and Llantos. What will Porac answer as they've been in shambles to start off, and another traveling violation. That's now 3 consecutive possessions ending up with a turnover para dito sa Bayung Porac. Serrano traveled that time, but let's look at this easy fast break layup for Red and Llantos. 6 points now to his name in this first period alone. Perez from way downtown, short. Rebounded by Gian. Cruz whips down the ball. Gets it to the corner. Gian drops it off to his big man. Oh, sumobra lang for Serrano. Michael Perez with the rebound. Torres. The lob. Oh, Llantos blows the finish. Sayang yun for Mexico. Cruz goes underneath. Oh, what a block right there by Nakpil. Gigante attack, stripped away by Nakpil. Ball stays dito sa Bayung Porac. The substitution for Coach J.R. Gomez. Pasok naman itong si Alorin Rivadulla. And another turnover para din sa Porac. Rivadulla. 4 on 2. Llantos. No good. But the offensive rebound and putback para dito kay Vallescas. Instant offense coming off the bench for Coach J.R. Gomez. Itong si Vallescas, offensive rebound and putback. Porac swinging the basketball. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Gigante from way downtown. In and out. Kapigan ng bola, ends up with Gian, and Gian puts it up and in. 4 points now. Gian Cruz's tally. They're still down by 10 points, 18-8. Final minutes of the first quarter. Going to the corner, Llantos back. Oh, good steal right there. And ito, tumatakbo na naman ang Porac. Serrano, layup, puts it up and in. Good steal by Di Marukot right there, and that forces Coach J.R. Gomez of Bayung, Mexico to suit for time as it's a quick 4-0 run para dito sa Bayung Porac. Still an 8-point lead para dito sa Bayung, Mexico, 18-10. .1 remaining dito sa ating first period within this battle of Bayung Porac kontra Bayung, Mexico, as Gerald Nakpil pagpasok ng bench mob dito. Coach J.R. Gomez for Bayung, Mexico will turn things around defensively, but 4-0 run for Bayung Porac. Santos, oh, another near turnover there for Mexico. Bayung Porac starting to wake up defensively. They're down currently by 8 points. Baseline inbound, and there you go. Serrano completes the steal, but he throws it away. Santos with a counter, but he throws it to nobody. Dun sa corner. So not a good past 2 possessions for both of these teams. There's another chance for Bayung Porac to cut this lead further down. And final possession of the first period right here. Gigante swings it to Serrano. Oh, good steal right there by Vallescas, and they're on the run. Nakpil, easy 2 points para dito sa Ingbayung, Mexico. That's one way to finish the first quarter if you're Ingbayung, Mexico. A near-perfect first period para dito sa men in blue. Let's look at that layup again. Good pass by Santos and the easy layup, top-board layup para dito kay Gerald. Nakpil, 2 points beating the buzzer, at lamang ulit itong Ingbayung, Mexico by 10 points. 20-10 is our score. Kapit lang mga kabalin. Magbabalik tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Back here sa 2024 Delta Cup presented to you by the Municipal Government of Pampanga, headed by Governor Dennis Delta Preneda in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia, and of course our official production partner ang Sinag Liga Asia Sports and Production. As 10-point lead para dito sa Ingbayung, Mexico, as easy 2 points. Early good start para dito kay Kyron Lapuz. 2 points for Bayung Porac. Oh, wide open corner 3-pointer is short nga lang para dito kay Garing. And ito on the run na naman ang Bayung Porac. Gigante draws the foul. So good start para dito sa Bayung Porac. Early basket in the first possession of the second quarter, and now Gigante has a chance to cut this lead down after that foul on the fast break. Oh, but Joren couldn't make the first one. As of course, sa mga kabalin na nanonood ngayon ng 2024 Delta Cup, of course, I am inviting you na abangan ang paparating na Sinag Liga Asia 19 under and 23 under na magsisimula na sa March 2024. This will be a qualifying tournament for the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippine Edition. As yung mga teams na makaka-qualify will represent Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase on July 18 to 28, 2024. That will be hosted by the province of Pampanga dito sa Pilipinas, where teams from the US, Italy, Canada, and the United Arab Emirates are set to compete. So, malay nyo, makikita nyo po ang iba sa mga players na nagpa-participate at naglalaro dito sa Delta Cup. Maglaro at i-represent ang Pilipinas sa Junior World Showcase ng Sinag Liga Asia as a good stop again para dito sa Bayung Porac. They force another turnover, so bumaliktad na ang script dito. Kaninang first quarter, Bayung Mexico ang nagagawa niyan. Ngayon, Bayung Porac naman, but sorry, miss right there on the floater for Stanley Canlas. Here comes Mexico. Santos goes to Nakpil. Nakpil, the power move, loses the basketball in mid-air. As another miss from the mid-range, galing dito kay Rivadulla. Ball will go over dito sa Bayung Porac. Foul whistle dito kay Noel Garing. Naku. They swing it. Lapus good up fake. Lapus, the floater is good. A 5-0 run para dito sa Bayung Porac to start off the second period. Santos from top of the key. Short. Oh, short din yung putback. But the third time's a charm para dito kay Aldwin Mangalus. Sa 9 ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung Mexico sa steal by Santos. He has Rivadulla on his left. Sobrang naman Rivadulla with the tip in. Now an 11-point lead for Bayung Mexico. A quick 6-0 counter run para dito sa Bayung Mexico, putting them up back to 11 points, 26-15 after this offensive rebound and putback using one hand galing dito kay Alorin Rivadulla. 26-15 is our score. 7 minutes and 21 natitira sa ating first half. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, ang nag-iisang anchor ngayong araw for these 4 games. Itong Bayung Mexico, lamang ng 11 puntos against Bayung Porac, 26-15. 7 minutes and 21 natitira sa ating second quarter. Coming out of their timeout, what will Porac answer here? Gigante kicks to the corner. Lapus, three-pointer. Misses everything there. But there's a foul underneath and ball will stay dito sa Bayung Porac. Foul is on Aldwin Mangalus. Naku pops out to receive the pass. They kick it to Gigante. Gigante, pull-up jumper. Oh, partially blocked by Nakpil. And ball is on the run. Gerald against 2. Beautiful Pinoy step right there by Gerald Nakpil. What a highlight para dito kay Gerald. Naku attacks. Naku gets blocked by Mangalus. And ball will go dito sa panig ng Bayung Mexico. A 28-15 is our score. An 8-0 run para dito sa Mexico, Pampanga. Santos gives it to Nakpil. Well, they try to dish it to the wing. Agaw yan, but agaw ulit ni Rivadulla. And another counter steal. Some wild possessions right here. And some good defense on both sides. Itong si Joren Gigante will go back to the free throw line. He's been living there the entire game. Let's look at his beautiful Euro step move. Galing dito kay Gerald Nakpil. Some razzle-dazzle from number 2 of Bayung Mexico. Gigante misses another free throw. He's been an often tourist dyan sa free throw line, but puro 1 out of 2 ang kanya nakakonvert. Still no complete conversions for Bayung Porac. 12-point lead being protected by the men in blue. They swing the ball around. Good attack. Oh, good drop pass. What a pass galing kay Aaron Santos going down to Kyle Perez. Cycle Perez with the finish right there. Gigante lobs it up to Cruz. Well read right there by Rivadulla. And Meneses drops it off. Santos, the pull-up is fouled and he'll troop to the line for two. Under substitution, pasok Ivan Dional. Coming in for Alorin Rivadulla. A good pass kanina galing kay Argel Meneses. Going over to Aaron Santos, but Santos did get fouled and he'll troop to the line for two free throws then. Etos Ing Bayung, Mexico. Let's look at this beautiful drop pass by Aaron Santos going over dito kay Cycle Perez underneath their earlier basket. Aaron Santos with a dish earlier this time. 1 out of 2 from the free throw line. Naku with a rebound. Gigante to Naku. Try to give it to the middle. Another steal para dito sa Ing Bayong Mexico, but a counter steal para sa Porac. Bayong Porac goes to Gigante. They give it to Naku off the glass shot. Oh, niluwa pa. And Meneses with the rebound. Bends the ball. Oh, some good dribbling skills being shown by Lapus. Oh! Sayang yung Rondo Fig and layup for Vasquez. And a jump ball whistled here. A sorry miss from Nino Vasquez after that Rondo fake. That would have been a highlight on the side of Bayung Porac. We're at the midway point of this second period. 4 minutes and 33 natitira sa ating laro. Cycle kicks it to Aaron. Santos from top of the key knocks it down from downtown. 34-16, a big lead na para dito sa Ing Bayung, Mexico. The floater, oh, ayaw pa rin talaga para dito kay Gigante. Bayong Porac really struggling in this first period to find some baskets. Cycle the spin, the up fake, and the step through move. Good move there by Cycle Perez. Kickball violation whistled here on Aaron Santos. Now a 20-point lead. Ito na pinakamalaking kalamangan. Nakita natin so far sa ating laro. 20-point lead, 36-16. In favor of Ing Bayung, Mexico. Good drop pass. But Serrano blows the finish. Santos hit one from deep. Make that two for Aaron Santos. A kiss to the sky bag. Ginawa niya celebration. 23-point lead para dito sa Ing Bayung, Mexico. Vasquez gets stripped. Eto na naman ang Mexico. Meneses, Pinoy step, and the finish. 25-point lead for Mexico. Bayung Porac trying to find some answers. Is this it? Naku, way off from deep. Rebound by Dional. Santos who hit back-to-back triples already for Mexico. Splits the defense. Oh! Beautiful drop pass to Cycle Perez. Yan na naman yung connection nila. It happened earlier. Ing Bayung, Mexico starting to run away with this ball game now. Vasquez will kick it. Kapulong draws the foul on the drive. Foul will be on Aldwin Manalos. But let's look at this beautiful Pinoy step by Meneses right there in transition. And the Sweet, sweet time right here by Aaron Santos sa Cycle Perez. Pangalawang beses na nag-connect na yung dalawang players na yan in this ball game. Still, the free throw woes continue for Bayung Porak. Kapulong misses another one. See if he can make the second. 0 for 2 para dito kay Kapulong, but Porak gets it back and again draws another foul off the attack. Argel Meneses whistled for the foul. Kapulong 0 for 2 and finally makes the first one. Let's see if he can go 2 for 2. Papa Kapulong. Number 20, Bayung Porak. 1 out of 2, but he still gets another offensive rebound and make it a possible 4-point play opportunity in this possession right here. Wow. Good hustle galing dito kay Papa Kapulong. Look at that. Getting the offensive rebound after the free throw miss, putting it back up and in, plus a foul. So 3-point play after the missed free throw. Possible 4-point swing right here for Bayung Porak. Kapulong unable to make the free throw, but there will be a reshoot because a lane violation was whistled dito sa Bayung, Mexico. So Kapulong will have another shot at the free throw. Again, 43-19 is our score. 2 minutes and 6 seconds natitira sa ating first period. Kapulong completes. I should say 4-point play. 23-point lead for Bayung, Mexico. Franco tries to go down low, ends up turning the ball over. Porak starting to clamp down on defense. Can they score in this possession? Oh, they turn it over again. And Cycle all alone. Perez with an easy layup. Cycle Perez starting to explode in the scoring department in the second quarter. Balik sa 25 points ang kalamangan ng Bayung, Mexico. No good yung 3. Cycle with a big rebound. Santos looks up. 1 minute and 23. Santos drops it off. Franco jumper hits the side of the backboard. We have a 3-on-2 in favor of Porak. An easy layup yan para dito kay Sean Di Marukot. Credits the steal and the pass galing dito kay Serrano. A-Rod swings it. They give it to Cycle. He'll try from the outside. No good, but look at Meneses with the offensive rebound and he drops it down low. Papunta dito kay Dional. Ivan gets fouled and he'll shoot to the line for 2. So the offensive rebounding for Bayung, Mexico is continuing to give Bayung Porak some problems here. As J.R. Gomez wants to talk things over for Bayung, Mexico, as his team is still up by 23 points dito, 45-22, 46.2 seconds remaining in the second period. As Jonal makes the first free throw. Two for 2 para dito kay Ivan. What will Porak answer? Di Marukot jumper off to the side. Offensive rebound. Oh! And the putback. Basket counts para ito kay Blake Canlas.
Aking foul on number 53, Ivan Viola. Personal foul. Bonus free throw, Blake Canlas.
Blake Canlas, an opportunity to convert the three-point play right here. Tries to go off the glass, off the free throw, no good. Matakbo na naman. Etong Ingba yung Mexico. Perez goes to Meneses. Jumper is good from the baseline. Argel Meneses, beautiful jumper right there. 49-24 again, 25-point lead para dito sa Ingba yung Mexico. Three-pointer no good. Di Marukot with an offensive rebound. Di Marukot draws the foul. Let's look at this jumper by Argel Meneses. Pure perfection galing dito kay Argel. Marukot knocks down the first free throw. 49-25, 24-point lead para dito sa Ingba yung Mexico as Canlas gets the offensive rebound and put back plus a foul. So a late rally galing dito sa Bayung Porac. Credit Blake Canlas. Another three-point play opportunity, but can he finally complete it? Let's look at this one more time. Canlas offensive rebound and put back contact. Canlas still unable to make the bonus free throw, but he gets the ball back. But loses it in mid-air at dyan magtatapos ang ating first half of action. Etong Ingba yung Mexico. Total domination galing dito sa blue team representing Mexico, Pampanga. As we can see some second quarter highlights right here and an all Ingba yung Mexico highlight reel. And tunay talaga na highlight reel po mga kabalin dahil they were dishing out passes, doing trick shots, athletic layups in the first half. I couldn't even say kung sinong leading scorer sa kanila kasi halo-halo po ang umambag para dito sa Ingba yung Mexico. Another possible domination from this team who has been one of the best teams dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Of course, itong Ingba yung Mexico, meron 22-point lead coming into the half, 49-27. Kapit lang mga kabalin, magbabalik po tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. 49 to 27, a 22-point lead para dito sa Bayung Mexico against Bayung Porac at the half. Grabe nga po ang ginawa ng Bayung Mexico in that first half. A lot of transition points, lots of steals, lot of offensive rebounds para dito sa men in blue representing Mexico, Pampanga. But para dito sa Bayung Porac, there were some shining lights for them, especially in the latter part. Guys like Nino Vasquez, Shandy Marukot, and towards the end of the quarter, itong si Stanley Canlas, Kenneth Naku, and Blake Canlas gumawa rin towards the end to cut this lead down to 22. Again, it was as high as 27 big points kanina. But plays like this, yung beautiful Euro step move na ito ni Gerald Nakpil. Different Nakpil na nasa isip ko po, pasensya na. But Gerald Nakpil were the reasons why lamang na lamang dito ang Bayung Mexico as start of the third quarter. Porac gets the first crack at the basketball. They swing it around. The three-pointer is missed for Vasquez, but they get the offensive rebound. Oh, another steal para dito sa Mexico as Nakpil tries to go Euro again. Liantos tried to put it back up and in. Wala pa rin. Oh, Vasquez turns it over. Liantos underneath. Oh, blocked by Vasquez. Here comes Porac. Gigante on the attack. Gigante. Euro step move. Kulang lang sa pagtama sa board yung Pectus nun. 10 seconds on the shot clock of the men in white. Di Marukot from the corner hits nothing. But the top of the backboard, so bola pa rin ng Mexico Pampanga dito. What am I saying? Para silang Pampanga. So, sa mga kabalin po dyan, nanonood sa Pampanga PIO FB page and sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel, comment po kayo para po meron akong kausap dito. Hindi po ako sanay. Sanay po, of course, if you watch Sinag Liga Asia, sanay po ako may kausapan sa three-pointer is made para dito kay Gerald Nakpil. At sa mga nag-single man panel dyan na anchor, saludo po ako sa inyo. Napakahirap pala po na inyong ginagawa. Gigante, kicks it to Di Marukot. Di Marukot picks up his dribble, gives it to Gian. Gian goes up top, and the finish right there. Galing dito kay Stanley Canlas. Good eye in the sky play, the big-to-big connection. And they force a turnover, so a good adjustment para dito sa Bayung Porac as they started to go with a pressure defense on that possession, and it pays dividend. They force a turnover. Dumarami na po ang mga dumadayo dito sa BREN Convention Center to watch this game as there's a hand check foul whistle dito on Gerald Nakpil.
Hand check foul on number 2, Gerald Nakpil. First
personal foul whistle on Nakpil. Gigante tried to lob it up to Stanley. Basang-basa na dun ni Pascual. Oh, Kunanan tried to go bullet pass to Nakpil but nakatapik. Ito ni Gian Cruz. It'll be a baseline inbound for the men in blue. Lock up. Gives it to a cutting Liantos, and Liantos gets fouled on the way up. Liantos had 6 points in the first quarter. Started the scoring barrage para dito sa Bayung Mexico. Free throws para dito sa Bayung Mexico. Liantos, but tingnan muna natin yung corner three-pointer doon. Gerald Nakpil, and here's the big-to-big eye in the sky play galing dito kay Gian Cruz and Stanley Canlas. One out of two, the free throw line. Doon si Liantos. Gigante hesitates, attacks, gives it to Cruz. Gian, DHO with Karak, Di Marukot. Gigante from the outside, a little bit too strong. A good defense right there. Galing dito kay Gigante. Di Marukot underneath and clear basket and one para dito kay Canlas, but he'll shoot to the line for two.
Pushing foul, number 11, John Candaba. Second personal, second team foul in Bayung, Mexico.
Happy watching po sa 595 mga kabalin na nanonood ngayon sa Pampanga PIO FB page ng 2024 Delta Cup. Comment po kayo kung sinong team po ba ang inyong tingin na mananalo ngayon, at syempre sinong player po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan. Let's have a discussion kasi hindi po talaga ako sanay, walang kausap. Oh, what a block by Stanley right there. Yantos pulls up from the mid-range. 8 points now para dito kay Redden Liat. Serrano behind the back pass, a little bit too soft. There was a foul, I believe, on the pass on Stanley Canlas. Canlas with a foul. I'd say good foul yun dahil it prevented a 3-on-1 fast break for Bayung, Mexico. to 31, 23-point lead para dito sa Bayung, Mexico. Cunanan, a very tall and lanky point guard. He has a lot of potential, but that side he trips. A good defense right here by Bayung Porak. Gigante on the run. Gigante is fouled and he'll shoot to the line for two.
Pushing foul on number 8, Noah Pascual.
Gigante will shoot to the line for two free throws. The foul was on Cunanan. Ito, basa tayo ng FB comments. Shoutout po kay Josie. Timbol Meneses. Go Bayung, Mexico. Kay Argel Meneses. I believe either parent or kamag-anak ata ito ni Argel Meneses. Argel Meneses played in the first half. Played terrific defense and hit a couple of jumpers kanina. His team, itong Bayung, Mexico, up by 23 points. Oh, good tap right there by Di Marukut. And drops it off. Serrano will be fouled by Cunanan. Back-to-back fouls para dito kay John Del Cunanan. Serrano will shoot to the line. Two free throws. Paalala lang po natin na pwede pong maging stepping stone itong 2024 Delta Cup. Some of the players here pwede. Malay natin, makikita natin mag-represent ng Pilipinas sa Junior World Showcase ng Sinag Liga Asia sa July 13 to 24 na magaganap po dito sa Pampanga mismo as mga kupunan galing sa United States, Italy, UAE, and Canada dadayo dito. So, tanong yun, ilan players po ba mapapanood natin galing sa Pampanga na magre-represent ng Pilipinas doon sa ating Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase? At dito, ito muna ang kanilang plataforma pinaglalaroan ng 2024 Delta Cup. Ocampo and Perez getting a little chippy underneath on the inbound play. Good job by our referees separating both of the players.
Penalty situation.
And penalty na.
First personal, number 10, Sekiel Perez.
Cycle Perez with the foul on Ocampo. Some words exchange kanina because of the foul at penalty na. Itong Bayung, Mexico. Ocampo will shoot two free throws. Five minutes and 29 seconds remaining. We are nearing the midway point of this third period. 1 out of 2 para dito kay Ocampo. Lakap back into the ballgame. First minutes for Lakap since the first period for Bayung, Mexico. A good tap right there by Gigante. Gigante on the run. Easy layup off the steal. Joren Gigante trying to light a fire dito sa Bayung Pora. Yantos gives it to Perez. Cycle scoops it up and in off the glass. The post move galing dito kay Cycle Perez. Gian. You know he has that. Ocampos, three-pointer, no good. There's a foul. I believe it will be whistled dito on Nomer Pascual. Nice name, man, Nomer. Tingnan natin itong agaw kanina. Ni Gigante, Joren putting on the accelerator pedal after the steal. As ito yung counter. Cycle Perez, the scoop layup off the glass. Great touch by the young fellow. Ian Cruz. 8 for 2 from the free throw line. Santos comes into the ball game. Perez lobs it up. Oh, dalawang players nagagawan. Luckily, they regain possession. Perez turns it over. But Gian hits it off his foot and ball will remain dito sa panig ng team Bayung Mexico. Perez, jumper from the free throw line. A little bit short. Stanley with a rebound. And then the counter steal right here para sa team Bayung Mexico. Santos drops it off. Liantos up fake. And called for the travel nga lang dun. With this pivot up after the fake. Three minutes and 50 seconds natitira, still a 22-point lead para dito sa team Bayung Mexico. Gigante gives it back to Di Marugot. Ocampo, they go baseline to Canlas. Canlas to Cruz. They try to involve everybody in that possession, pero well read by team Bayung Mexico. Santos going all the way to the basket right there. Aaron, again, putting his imprints in the game. Pagpasok na magpasok pa lang niya. 2 points agad for Aaron Santos off the steal. And balik sa 24 ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung Mexico after this beautiful sky layup galing dito kay Aaron Santos on the fast break. His speedy guard going for a speedy layup on transition and lamang sila ng 24 puntos, 58. Kayo po ay nakatutok pa rin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Dito po tayo sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. As a steal again by Aaron Santos. And Liantos skying high for that layup, but he was fouled by Papa Capulong. Shoot to the line for two. The transition opportunity. This kid, itong si Liantos, not wasting any opportunity to run. Redden, a really good open court player. Balik itong si Kenneth Naku for Bayung Porak. Liantos misses the first free throw. Again po sa mga nakatutok sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page and syempre sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. Comment po kayo. Sinong team po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan dito sa Delta Cup? At syempre, sinong player po ba ang inyong chini-cheer dito sa tournament natin? Turnover para dito sa Bayung Pora. 3 minutes and some change natitira sa ating third period. Liantos goes to Santos. Aaron the spin. Step back three-pointer. We nearly got that to go. Matakbo ng mga nakaputi. Gian Cruz with a lefty layup right there. Baba ulit sa 24 ang kanilang hinahabol. Talking about Bayung Porak. Full tap going out of bounds. Ball stays para dito sa panig na Bayung Mexico. 11 seconds on their shot clock. Tignan natin itong fast break layup ni Gian Cruz, the former Luid 1 Kapampangan Cager. I bet Coach Jonathan Benedict would like that play. The cycle misses that layup. Ball will go sa panig dito ng Bayung Porak. 2 minutes and 9 seconds na titira. In third period. Gigante kicks it to Cruz. Gian, Euro step. A little bit short ulit. Good rebound right there. Para galing dito kay Mangalos. Jordan Gigante gets whistled for a foul again. And dahil hindi pa penalty dito. 14 foul pa lang dito ng Bayung Porak. Minute and 51 natitira sa ating third period. Santos against Naku. Ang oras pa sa kanila shot clock. 18 seconds still. Santos pulls up. No good. And eto on the run na naman. Etong Bayung Porak. Oh, good challenge. But a better trail job galing dito kay Jordan Gigante. Gigante gets the putback and 2 points. As another steal right here for Bayung Porak. Cruz been playing good defense right there. Gigante. Oh, good veer step. Sayang lang. Mintis yung lefty finish. And he fouled Santos again. And this will put Bayung Porak to the penalty and will give Mexico itong Bayung Mexico 2 free throws. Let's see again. Kapulong. Challenge right there. Bebaliescas with a putback by Gigante, trailing the play. And Santos misses the first free throw. Still nothing for Santos on that free throw trip. Foul was whistled, the holding foul. Whistled underneath. Dahil penalty na, itong si Aldwin Mangalos will go to the free throw line. Back-to-back free throw attempts para dito sa Bayung Mexico as Mangalos knocks down the first free throw. Yes, we would like to thank the municipal government for making this 2024 Delta Cup happen, and of course kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and all the mayors na tinutulungan ng mga kabataan na matupad ang kanilang pangarap sa paglalaro dito sa basketball. As an eye in the sky play, Baliescas goes to Cycle Perez. Bayung Mexico is getting everything that they want in this ball game. Oh, a long three-pointer made right there. Papa Kapulong knocks it down from downtown. Will Bayung Mexico counter. And a traveling violation whistle dito kay Cycle Perez. Jensen De Leon comes into the ball game. Kapulong from the outside knocks it down. Back-to-back triples for Papa Kapulong. Cuts the lead down to 19. Santos. Oh, beautiful no-look dump over to Aldwin Mangalos. Kapulong, he check, blocked by Rivadulia. And some defensive masterpiece galing dito kay Alorin Rivadulia to end this third period. Good block on Kapulong that hit 2 3-pointers already. He was expecting him to chalk that one up and balik sa 21 puntos ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung, Mexico. An explosive third quarter which started off with that corner three-pointer. And then, etong Bayung Porac nagsimulang magkaroon ng mini run. At guys like Liantos, Cycle Perez, John Del Cunanan, of course, itong si Alvin Mangalo started to catch fire once again para dito sa Bayung, Mexico. Kaya lamang na lamang pa sila dito as look at that beautiful finger roll layup galing doon kay Cycle Perez. Gian Cruz still starting to spark up itong Bayung Porac, but that's a tough task because they are currently down by 21 big points, 65 to 44, entering the final quarter of this first game of this 2024 Delta Cup. Ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup, brought to you by the Municipal Government of Pampanga, and of course headed by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia, and of course our official production partner Sinag Liga Asia Sports and Production. Bola pa rin dito ng Bayung, Mexico. Bayung Porac still trying to find some answers dito dahil everything they try to do may pangontra agad itong Bayung, Mexico. As Mangalos fighting for the offensive rebound, and finally Jensen De Leon gets the ball, but counter steal na naman ang ginawa dito ng Mexico. Rebounded right here, finally cleared for the men in white. Kapulong hit 2 3-pointers to end the quarter kanina. Oh, unfortunately, Di Marugo turns the ball over. Balik tuloy ang bola dito sa panig ng Bayung, Mexico. Nakpil, tiptoed out of bounds, but they say last touch doon si Jensen De Leon. First personal foul on Jensen. Bill to inbound, gives it to Santos. Aaron calls for a horns play. Santos splits the defense. Santos with a beautiful layup going to the basket. What a move there. Aaron Santos. Oh, what a steal din dito for Bayung, Mexico, and Santos. Oh! Bitin nga lang yung layup dun. Tumatakbo itong Bayung Porac. And the behind the back dribble is Stanley. Sails out of bounds. Canlas turns the ball over. Bayung, Mexico looking like they're in the driver's seat as 23 points ang kalamangan dito. From start to finish, a wire-to-wire victories on the horizon para dito sa Bayung, Mexico. Dito itong si Lowell Garing din para sa Bayung, Mexico. Santos pull up three-pointer. Back iron, but Rivadulla with the rebound. Alorin kicks it to Gerald. Gerald scored yung jumper niya as Santos tried to regain possession but throws it to an opponent. Blake puts it up and he'll troop to the line for two. Blake Canlas has done a really good job on drawing fouls today. This time, instead of a three-point play opportunity, he will go shoot 2 free throws. Let's look at this beautiful layup doon. Aaron Santos against 2 defenders. Looking like a good friend of mine from Pampanga himself, San Fernando's own Raymond Binuya. Blake Canlas misses the first free throw. Misses also the second free throw. Tumatakbo si Rivadulla. Alorin, lefty layup, wala. Put back din, wala pa rin for Bayung Mexico. Santos. Ooh! Tried to finish with a highlight after the killer cross. He was fouled and Santos will go to the line for 2 free throws. Second team foul on Bayung Pora. Santos still misses the free throw. That's now 3 consecutive free throw misses for Aaron Santos. He can finally make a free throw right here. Oh, still though, go 4 consecutive missed free throws na para kay Aaron Santos. But Gerald Nakpil getting the offensive rebound and fouled again. So 2 free throws na naman. Mapupunta dito sa Bayung Mexico. Palasa na naman ang player. Ito si Coach J.R. Gomez. 2 players coming in. Cunanan and etong si Nomer Pascual. Nice name ha, Nomer Pascual. Parang yung best player mo si naglakas ko rin. Nomer Santiago. Yes, I know he can hear me. And dahil wala akong kausap, I will mention him today in this morning. Nakpil, 2 out of 2 from the free throw line. 69-44, 7 minutes and 30 remaining dito sa ating laro. Looking like itong Bayung Mexico with another dominant victory in this 2024 Delta Cup as there was a foul. Pushing foul whistle dito on Nomer Pascual. Kapulong attacks. Kapulong traveled that time off the hop step. Oh, an offensive foul whistled. Is it on Cunanan? Fourth personal foul whistle dito on John Del Cunanan. Let's see. A beautiful drop pass and layup kanina in the early sequence. So a chance to get a string of baskets para dito sa Bayung Pora. Oh, beautiful move by Joren Gigante. Madulia spins, drops it off. Oh, what a beautiful play galing dito kay Alorin de Madulia, setting up Nakpil perfectly that time for the easy layup. Oh, a strip right here. Gigante regains possession. Gian, he can knock that down, but that time he misses. Cunanan, he draws a foul on Gigante. That will be, I believe, Pora's 4th team foul dito. Rivadula. Oh, wide open look. And he knocks it down from downtown. Coach Arvin Ibay calls for time right here as his team is really in shambles. They're down 74-46, especially after this Alorin Rivadulia pull-up 3-pointer. Putting up dito 74-46, 5 minutes and 58 natitira sa ating laro. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Galing ah. Mag-isa lang ako dito, tapos dalawa kay FD ko. Ganap na po ako nakausap dito, mga kabalit. Kaya comment na po kayo sa Facebook and YouTube po. Again, sino po bang kupunan ang inyong chini-cheer dito? At siyempre, sino din pong player ba ang inyong sinusuportahan? Malay nyo, balang araw, yung player na yun ay makapaglaro sa Junior World Showcase ng Sinag Liga Asa na mangyayari sa July 18 to 24 dito po sa Pampanga. Gaganapin yun ang ating Junior World Showcase Philippine Edition. There's some wild putbacks nangyari doon para sa Bayung Masantol. Just really trying to show that they got bunnies sa kanilang mga talon. Para na sa panig dito ng Bayung Porac. They just want to cut this lead down into a respectable margin. They're trying out some plays din dito. But they turned it over pa rin as there was a foul, I believe, on Papa Kapulong.
Foul on number 23, Papa Kapulong. Fourth personal foul
on Papa Kapulong. That should be 2 free throws dahil penalty na nga itong Bayung Porac. Free throws para dito kay Kunanan. At parang narinig ko ito ginawa dati sa Delta Cup eh. Tatanong ako sa ating director. Direct, kumain ka na ba? 74 to 46, 4 minutes and 59 natitira dito sa ating first game ng Delta Cup.
Holding foul on number 10, Sakiel Perez. Second personal, number 10, Sakiel Perez.
28-point lead para dito sa Mogulo yun, nagpapanel ako dito. Ang kulit dyan. 4 minutes and 48 natitira. Ating fourth period. Gigante, beautiful crossover. Mintis nga lang, Rivadulla gets the rebound. Kunanan looking to push. Perez to Rivadulla. Beautiful! Oh! Sayang! Para dito kay Alorin Rivadulla. The wind just spit the ball out. Gian Cruz draws another foul and he'll go back to the free throw line.
Pushing foul on number 8, Romer Pascual.
Homer Pascual with the foul. Gian Cruz knocks down the first free throw. Cruz 2 for 2 from the free throw line. Pasok para dito sa Bayung Porac. Ito si Shandy Marukot. Kunanan gives it to Cycle. Perez directing traffic, gives it to Rivadulla. Alorin. Oy! Nabitin nga lang. Even yung putback ni Pascual bitin din. But Rivadulla gets the ball back at sinigurado na niya yung layup that time. to 46, 3 minutes and 53 remaining in this final period, the payoff period of this first game. Cruz really having trouble with the defense. Markman na Markman si Gian Cruz. Vasquez misses, wala pa rin yung tap. Tumatakbo ang 2 players for Bayung Mexico. Garing from the outside, knocks it down from downtown, and Coach Arvin Ibay has seen enough and he'll shoot for time as this is now a 31-point lead para dito sa Bayung Mexico, especially after this 3-pointer made galing dito kay Lowell Garing. Knocks it down from downtown, 31 points na kalamangan dito. Mexico, 79 to 48. Itong Bayung Mexico dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Sobrang dominante. And again, another dominant game para sa kanila. Wire to wire. Di nila pinalamang itong Bayung Porac ngayong araw. Yes. Pasa lang po tayo dito at shoutout tayo ng mga manonood. Nanonood po ngayon, si Emerson Molieno. Happy watching po sa likod ng OB ni Emerson.
6 seconds shot clock.
Vasquez, in and out dribble. The floater, wala pa rin talaga for Bayung Porac. Lowell, he attacks the gap. Garing, unfortunately, travels before he made the pass. 2 minutes and 43 natitira sa ating laro. Vasquez gives it. Oh, good pass to Cruz, and Cruz puts it up and in against 2 defenders. Gian, silent ball game so far for him, but he's showcasing his talent para dito sa Bayung Porac. And an offensive foul, an illegal pick ang naipito dito kay Alwin Mangalos. Third personal foul on Mangalos that time. Vasquez playing point. They kick it to Di Marucos. 3-pointer off the mark. Vasquez offensive rebound. Ayaw talaga para dito sa Bayung Porac. Last 2 minutes tayo dito, mga kabalin. Beautiful spin. Mintis pa rin for Stanley Canlas. Bayung Mexico just trying to put the finishing touches dito sa ating laro. For being this dominant in this ball game, 7-0 naging simula natin. And they are on their way to another blowout victory dito. Torres, wide open 3-pointer, in and out. Bional gives it back to Torres. 7 seconds to work with for the men in blue. Ivan from the outside, no good, but the tap right here goes to Bayung Porac. And pasa, masyado lang advance for Gian Cruz. Hindi turnover para dito sa Bayung Porac. Torres, minute and 10 natitira sa ating laro. Torres wants a screen from Mangalos. Aldwin, the jumper is good para dito kay Aldwin Jasper Mangalos. (81 to 51), 31-point lead pa rin para dito. Bayung Mexico, who's thought about the outside jumper. 3-pointer, no good pa rin para sa Bayung Porac. Still no go, parang may takip yung ring dito ng Bayung Porac. Matakbo si Torres sa 4-on-2. Aldwin puts it up, ayaw talaga. Final 15 seconds of this ball game. Gian will try for the outside jumper, wala, and that'll do it. Mga kabalin, etong Bayung Mexico with another dominant performance dito sa Delta Cup 2024, a wire-to-wire victory. You can see both coaches, Coach Arvin Ibay and Coach J.R. Gomez, congratulating each other because the players did. What a performance galing dito sa Bayung Mexico. What a performance. Halos lahat umambag dito sa laro natin. Almost everyone talagang nakascore, nakapag-rebound. And ito ang ating final score, 81 to 50 for Bayung Mexico. What a dominant performance, wire-to-wire victory para sa kanila. But for Bayung Porac, a lot of things to improve upon, a lot of things to work on so they can improve the next game at makabalik dito much better in this performance. And again, congratulations to Bayung Mexico. A dominant victory, wire-to-wire victory para sa kanila. They never look back after that 7-0 start nila ng first quarter. 7-0 run in first quarter, and ngayon 31 points ang kanilang kalamangan at the final score. And yan again, ang final score natin 81-50. 31-point victory para dito sa Bayung Mexico against Bayung Porac. Dito sa ating first game of this 2024 Delta kapatid sa inyo ng Municipality of Pampanga and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia and of course our production partner Sinag Liga Asia Sports and Promotion. And of course kasama ko na ulit ang ating best player of the game dito sa Delta Cup. Walang iba kundi si Cycle, pero Cycle, congratulations. Napakaganda ng pinerform ng team nyo. Pang ilang laro na to na grabe yung lamang niyo. Ganito ba talaga ang i-expect dapat ng mga kabalin pag pinapanood ang Bayung Mexico? Oo. And yun nga, nabanggit mo, ang kalaban nyo sa Friday will be ang Angeles City, di ba? Meron ba kayong mga kailangan pang improve para manalo kayo dun sa Angeles? At meron pa ba kayong mga kailangan matutunan pa para alam nyong kampante kayo manalo sa Friday? Tama-tama nga. At Cycle, ito na. Chance mo na para bumati sa yung mga kababayan galing sa Mexico at syempre sa yung mga pamilya na nakatuto. Kasi kanina nakita ko sa FB, ang dami mong fans eh. Go ahead, bati ka na.
Kuya ko, nanonood. Papa Sunny, Kuya Kel, girlfriend ko, Shobi. Maraming salamat din pala sa aming Mayor, Rodin Gonzales at kay board member, Micah Gonzales. Tawag ko.
Ayun, once again, that is Cycle Perez ng Bayung Mexico. Congratulations na go ahead and enjoy mo na yung inyong panalo. And good luck nga pala sa Friday sa laban nyo against Angeles City dito pa rin po sa 2024 Delta Cup. Mga kabalin, tutok lang po kayo kasi hindi po dyan nagtatapos ang ating game day dito. This is just the first game of 4 games today sa 2024 Delta Cup. Coming up next, it's the battle between Malugud Candaba and Bayung Masantol. Susunod na po yan dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. But that is our first game for today. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and on behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, Direct Don Mike Tanan, Direct Billy De Leon, Direct Carlo Olpos, BDG Incorporated, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup